Have you ever heard about Windows XP Vienna Edition, Republic of Gamers Windows 10, or Windows 7 Batman vs Superman? What is that stupidity? These are bootlegged and unofficial versions of Windows that aren't created by Microsoft. But is that even legal? No, because Windows is protected by copyright laws. These bootlegged operating systems have stupid names, a junky UI, and come with many cracked software. In many countries, bootlegging Windows felt like a trend, especially in my country since bootlegging and piracy is basically a huge problem. Without further ado, let's discuss 5 horrifying Windows bootlegs. Uh, Here is Windows XP Vienna Edition. Wait. As you can see here, the creator added so many customizations in this bootleg. This bootleg is based off on Windows XP Windows XP. Okay. It even has the same thing. It even has the same apps from Windows XP. Okay. Let's check out Firefox. Okay. What about Internet Explorer? Never mind. Okay. Let's check out the File Explorer. Okay, here is this Windows XP animated character from the original Windows XP. Okay, some of these things around too. Okay, here's WinVer, and here it identifies itself as Windows Vista X. Okay, there's also a panel here, like so much unnecessary stuff here. Like why not you can, like, why not just open the start menu? Okay, here's paint. And okay, let's check out the scenes here. Wait a minute. Okay, this is the default theme. It's 107. Okay, here's a random theme. There's so many unknown, like there are so many themes that are silly and like make sense because bootlegs are usually look stupid. Okay, this is Vista Orange. And here is Valentine, New XP Live Red, Royal Black, Vista Inspirate. It is Media Center. Here's Linux. Here's Gloach. Here's Vista Blue World. There's Aero Black and okay. Okay, that's enough showcasing the stupidity. Here is Windows Mac OS XP, which is a bootleg of Windows XP that is themed after Mac OS. Okay. There's some unknown apps here like Windows Mac OS Virus Removal Tool and Alpha Outrun Killer 2.0. Okay. And here's this panel which is ripped off from actual macOS, and I don't know what's called in actual macOS. Okay, let's check out Paint. This is just Paint from Windows XP. Okay. This is the File Explorer. Okay, this is the Start menu, and as you can see, it comes with Winamp and Firefox and Windows Media Player. Also, came with some apps, and some of them are, pirated, which is horrible in most countries, because most countries ban piracy. Okay. This is Minesweeper. This is just Windows XP Minesweeper. Okay. Now let's check out the themes. Wait. This theme is called Mac OS. This is Mac OS 1. This is Mac OS 11, Mac OS 12, Mac OS 16, Mac OS 15, Mac OS 18, Mac OS 7. This is Windows XP. This is Dunes 2 theme. This is Aurum theme. This is Sniper theme, which I guess might be coming from another bootleg, because I found another bootleg called Windows Sniper XP, and I forgot what it looks like. Okay, Tangerine theme. Okay. Wait a minute. This is search, and as you can see, there is also the Windows XP animated character here. Okay. That's enough showcase. Here is Windows XP Pro Service Pack Suite 2010. and that's a stupid name, which is created by the same guy who created Windows XP Vienna edition. This is a bootleg of, well, Windows XP that is themed after Windows 7 and comes with many useless customization, like this panel. No, it's not a panel, it's just widgets, and this thing, these circles. Okay, here is Minesweeper. Okay, now let's check out Winver. And here it says Microsoft Windows XP Professional Edition, and it says it's created by Microsoft even though it isn't. Okay, let's check out the File Explorer here. Okay, here is Paint. Okay, let's check out the themes here. Okay, this GPU's. Oh, this is an infamous, a very infamous utility that shows the GPU as it said here. Okay, SMEM test here. I think I heard it before. Tweak UI, cause it customizes stuff. Okay. Okay, this is the information about the system properties. Now let's actually check out the scenes here. Okay, this is 7 black, this is Windows XP, this is 7 blue, this is 7 green, this is 7 normal widescreen. Now this is 7 purple, 7 red, 7 small, and okay, that's enough showcase. This is Windows 7 Batman vs Superman, and it's just loading. Like, it's just Windows 7 but themed after the Batman vs Superman movie, and the Batman and Superman and the Batman and Superman and the Batman and Superman superheroes. Copyright computer media team. Ha ha ha. That's so funny because they don't own Windows. Wow, it's Batman. Wow, it's Superman and Batman. Okay. There's a bug I found out here. Wow, that's a genuine Microsoft software. Wow. Okay, here's paint, which is just the same paint in, well, 1.7. Okay, let's check out the file explorer here. Like, there is no change except in the icons. Like, like, like these these unfamiliar weird icons. Okay, let's see what other things in here. Local disk C. Okay. Free VK. Free virtual keyboard. I don't think that. I, wow, wow. Bro. I did not think, bro. There's no way Microsoft owns this. Disable follow select. Registration entries. Like, some of these bootlegs actually tweaked when Windows, or the registration of real Windows. Okay. Here is Internet Explorer. Fin Ban Moi. I don't know if I said that correct, but maybe this page doesn't exist. That's why see if YouTube can open up on Internet Explorer in 2025. Please update your browser. Yeah. Let's try searching something. Cats. Okay, this is like in, I don't know if it's in Arabic or Urdu, because I live in Egypt, which speaks Arabic, and this bootleg is made in Pakistan. Okay, that's not showpiece. Here is a Windows XP bootleg called OZZIEXP 09, and and many icons and the start menu and the taskbar are themed after Windows Vista, even though it isn't based on Windows Vista. It says here the style is being changed. Maybe because the from what I remember, maybe because there are some widgets here that's supposed to be, here. Maybe that's what he meant. Okay. As you can see, it comes with many pirated software and 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 uh, and VMware. Like, okay, it also comes with uTorrent, which is mostly used for pirating, for using pirated for using illegal torrents. RRR. Okay, here are the widgets. Okay. Let's check out. Okay, here's Paint. And it's just Windows XP Paint, but with some changes in the icons. Okay. Let's try Internet Explorer. I don't know if I'm connected to the internet or not. Maybe I should type something like I think it knows that I live in Egypt because this is Arabic. It says here that it's loading, but never mind. Here is calculator. Oh, it's very different. Okay, let's see what is this. This is called Calculator Plus. It seems to be more advanced than the default one, and it has its own UI too. Okay. Let's check out the File Explorer. Okay. Let's check if there are any modifications in system files. Probably there is. Sorry, that's just a dog. Zapotec. Oh, that's the wallpaper. See program files, and I did not install anything on this Windows bootleg. Like, all of these come with like bro, this is like Windows bootlegs are usually very are sometimes really bloated. Okay, here's Notepad. Wow, it looks like a Notepad 2. Maybe I've heard this before. Like, this is a text editor that is made as an alternative to Microsoft Notepad. Okay, let's check out the control panel. Let's check out the scenes here. Okay, display, WinStyle 2. Oh, there isn't that much. Okay. The default one is called McBliss. There's some wallpapers here that weren't supposed to be here. Okay. Here is WinBur. Okay, here it says Microsoft Windows XP Professional. even though it's called OZZIEXP 09 and not Windows XP. Okay, that's enough showcase. Thanks for watching. Remember to not get Windows off of Temu. Bye.